Hello! In this video, 3 important parts. Thanks, sorry, and the next part of my build, let's say extra tips. First of all, thank you for the over 500 subscribers. I didn't thought it would go that big, that fast. So thank you very much. And for the over 33,000 views. Wow, I'm very grateful to all of you. And in second place, sorry. Truly sorry. I know I promised to give you some videos testing this sprinter on the dirt tracks of Morocco. But 2 days before we would leave home, my mother was in hospital, and instead of going to Morocco, I had to do the commute to the hospital every day during a month, and unfortunately in the beginning of April my mother died. So it was some turbulence in my life, a few months to think all over, but we did go in April to the 4x4 Overland and Adventure show in Stratford-upon-Avon in the UK. In May we went to the reunion of the turtles, the 4x4 Tortue de Felix. We went to the 4x4 Adventure and Allrad show in Bad Kissingen, Germany. And in June we went to the northern of Spain, to the Pyrenees, off-road with a road book, to test the first time the Sprinter off-road. It did very well, so you can expect some more videos to come. So we tested the car already, so we made some little changes due to the experience on the road. But I had to buy a new camera. Audio didn't do it anymore on my old camera. I had to buy a new laptop and an editing program. So a little adapting and I start again. See you soon. Here are the chairs, the Maxtrax sand ladders, the shovel, poles for the awning, and don't forget the saw. Everything is fixed with bungee cords. For the food, water, fridge, bungee cords, and everything we need at the table. I did install a 12-volt outlet, a control panel for the home battery, the start battery, a remote switch for the 220-volt converter with a control light,